से मेरी शादी हुई है तभी से मैं हर रोज़ खाना पका रही हूँ। कुछ 7-8 वर्ष हो चुके हैं। यदि मुझे रोज़ कुछ घंटे काम करके पैसा कमाने को मिल जाए तो शायद मुझे अपने पति के ऊपर निर्भर नहीं रहना पड़ेगा।
Homemakers, who are commonly called housewives in India, actually make most of the Indian invisible economy. But the problem here is that they are not economically independent. They are not free. They do not earn their own money. They are not financially capable. What Swapna is trying to do here is to start a restaurant where she is going to employ these housewives, these homemakers, and make them more free and free them from the clutches of financial dependence on someone else and make them economically independent and develop within them a sense of entrepreneurship.
What better than to have women entrepreneurs like Swapna? There are quite a few interesting things that Swapna is incorporating into her enterprise. One of them is that she is going to be using housewives predominantly. The second is to have exotic foods with an Indian touch. So you would have a burrito with Indian ingredients, which would really work well for the local palate as well as give it a nice international touch. And another wonderful thing that Swapna is doing is that the people who are going to be working in the enterprise are going to be mostly housewives who will be working in their spare time. So, multiple things we expect to happen out of this. The first is there would be a very interesting mix of cuisine coming into the restaurant, and more importantly, the housewives have a way of showcasing something that is very easily part of their USP, which is cooking.
Swapna's been hanging out with me since Jaga study, I guess in January. So she was with me and very active in the kitchen and working with food back in Bangalore for a few months, and then at Code Camp the last couple months up here in Dharmashala, and now at Telhacks. So I'm really excited to see what she does with her big cooking enterprise.
Fusion Kudla.
Fusion Kudla.
Fusion Kudla.
Fusion Kudla.
Fusion Kudla.
Fusion!